Hello, my name is Nusra Najah binti Muhammad Amri. My matrix number is 06DTK19F1036. I'm from DTK 5B. Base Flood Monitoring System is a sensor that is programmed to notify people about flood disaster that will happen in time. This project's principal role is to detect if any pressure of water is in risk of flood. They are also sometimes used for additional reminders about flood. This project is using ultrasonic sensor to detect or sensor or monitor flood. This project also using Wi-Fi module, which is ESP8268 for connecting with software equal think speed. The main purpose is to sensor water level at an early stage. When monsoon season is happen, there is always happen flood disaster. Flooding has several major consequences, including loss of life and damage to buildings and other facilities such as bridge, sewage system, motorways and canals. Flood regularly disrupt electricity transmission and in certain cases power generation, resulting in a cascade of negative consequences. Lack of clean water mixed with human waste in floodwater increases the danger of waterborne disease such as typhoid, giardia, Cryptosporidium, cholera and variety of others depending on where the flood occurs. Next, the problem is secondary and long-term will effect. Objective to construct base flood monitoring system using NodeMCU. Second, to alert an individual or group of individuals about flood using ThinkSpeak. Third, to monitoring water level using ultrasonic sensor. Scope is to warn people about flood, build an ultrasonic sensor as an input to base flood monitoring system and a red and green LED as output, and the project to notify by ThinkSpeak to assist flood victims in getting actual flood status in real time.